Discover you.
Hi everybody, how are you? This is Francine Bergens from Discover You, and I am excited to get ready to present this video for you. So of course, in the month of February, we had our promotion called Share the Love. And with the Share the Love promotion, we challenge businesses, organizations to write us and tell us why we should come into their establishment and pretty much give away goodie bags to everybody on staff. So we want to say congratulations to Hoover Elementary in Calumet City, Illinois, as we are going to be dropping off goodies to them. Now I have to say this because of COVID, we won't be able to get too much footage. We'll only have some pictures, but we want to let you know that we went out, we shared the love. It really just touched my heart and ignited something new in me to go out and to give these goodie bags that were loaded up to 60 staff members at Hoover Elementary. So thank you to the principal and thank you to the assistant principal who wrote in to us and asked us to share the love with the staff members. So thank you. We want you all to take a look at this video and just learn more about Discover You, who we are, and our heart for the people. Thank you.